Ever spent hours manually syncing CRM data only to find mismatched lead statuses or corrupted campaign tags? Designers and front end developers know the pain of juggling Salesforce, HubSpot, and Marketo updates by hand. This skill automates API integrations with REST SOAP endpoints, builds bulletproof field mappings via JSON schema transformations, validates data integrity with regex pattern checks, and triggers real time syncs through webhook listeners. Say goodbye to spreadsheets that look like modern art, and hello to perfectly aligned data galaxies. Marketing ops teams, dev teams, and design squads. Let's sync like we mean it. Here's what's inside the Building CRM Data Sync skill. API connectors pre-built for Salesforce, HubSpot, and MailChimp with OAuth 2.0 authentication. Customizable field mapping engines that auto-detect data relationships using fuzzy logic. Validation scripts with data type enforcement, null checks, and duplicate detection. Real-time sync workflows powered by event-driven triggers. Error handling with retry logic and dead letter queues. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real-world examples. And it works everywhere. Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Your CRMs just got a communication upgrade. Installing the Building CRM Data Sync skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add building-crm-data-sync. That's it. You'll download the complete skill with expert level guidance on API rate limiting, field mapping hierarchies, and validation rule chaining. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now speaks fluent CRM sync, knows when to use delta sync versus full refresh, and spots data mismatches before they crash your campaign. Warning: may cause spontaneous high fives from your marketing team.